Hello, today we're going to look at putting some random colors in and using an eye to make the eye from the for loop into our equation. And that should make more sense as we move along. So first, we want to change our color so it goes through and changes the colors as we move along. So I just put in 4 colors, and I can say change the T dot color. T dot color is going to be colors, and I notice how I made a list of colors here. So what I could do is take the first thing from the list, and this is called indexing. We talked about little bit about this last chapter, and I'm going to use this percentage symbol, which means, oops, not there, up here, uh, which means I'm going to find the remainder when I divide by 4 because I have 4 things. So if it doesn't matter which number I have, I can, whenever I divide by 4, it will uh, get 0, 1, 2, and 3 and then that keeps indexing around here. So when I run something like this, you can see each time it goes and picks the next color in the list. That's kind of neat. Um, we could, instead of doing this where it goes in an order, we could just have it uh, randomly pick. So to do that, we'd have to import random at the top, and then when I come here, I'll do random dot choice, and then colors, and then we need to get rid of all of that business. And oop, I have one too few parentheses. Now it should be working. So now it's just randomly picking, and it didn't seem to be any order. At first I was scared because it was the same color a couple times. Um, Now that's kind of hard to see. Another thing I could show you is T dot width, and let's do 3, and then that's 3 times as big. If you ever want it to just be a little bigger. All right. So that just randomly picks from that list of colors. Now what we could do is what we could use the I in here because this I starts at a low number and it keeps building up. So what I could do is I could go T dot forward 100 plus 5 times I. And now let's do this not just 10 times, let's do it 100 times. And now each time it slowly is going to be getting bigger and bigger and bigger, just a little bit each time, because instead of going 100 each time, I'm adding 5 times whatever I is, and then you can get some cool drawings off of that. We could also change the width. We could add I to this, but I think this would get pretty ridiculous. Let's start at 1 plus I. Um, so it starts small and you can see it getting thicker and thicker. And soon it'll be so big that it's probably coloring the whole screen. It does look kind of cool though. So I'll let you play around and experiment with what you can do with this.